Hello everybody. So today I want to talk to you about my all-time favorite, my smoothing makeup base. So what it does to you, it does so much. It's for all skin types, but yeah, really, if you have more oily skin, it's amazing. Dry skin, it's amazing too. It's good for every skin type and especially sensitive skin. If you have acne or rosacea, it's really gonna have a great impact on your skin's health. So what's in this? First of all, you have amazing oils. So you have avocado oil, jojoba oil, and rosehip oil. So all these oils are gonna moisturize your skin, have a great anti-aging impact and healing impact as well. Like rosehip oil is really, really good if you have red skin rosacea. Then you have a duo of vitamin C and vitamin E. So that's a great antioxidant combo, and it's very, very good to protect your skin against the sun, UVA rays. So third, you have the aloe gel and candelilla wax. So what it does, that will really protect your skin. It will like seal the deal. That's why it's a base. It gives you like this very lifting effect, very silky, smooth skin, and that will help, first of all, protect if you don't use makeup, because you don't have to use makeup to use this product. But if you use makeup, it will help it stay longer. So all these amazing ingredients will really help repair, regenerate, and protect your skin throughout the day. Especially good for this summer with the aloe and the vitamins and everything actually. So I hope you will enjoy this product and let me know what you think about it. You can find it on my website at lisanoto.com and very soon on Amazon. So have a great day.